I welcome each one of you to Indian Brand and Leadership Conclave 2021, an initiative by the Brand Story. It's to highlight the theme for this evening, Resilient India, the Path Ahead. This evening will be marked by insightful keynotes, power-packed panel discussions, of course, celebration of Indian brands and leaders.
So, without further delay, let's begin with the awards ceremony.
The India's Greatest Workplace Award goes to Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance Company Limited. We're honored to have amongst us Mr. Prashant Sharma, Chief Investment Officer, and Mr. Dinesh Bhojwani, Head HR, on stage to receive this award.
Welcome to the second part of Indian Brand and Leadership Conclave, featuring leading brands and leaders of the nation. Today, we will showcase leading brand and leaders and will share with the nation inspiring stories of top brands, entrepreneurs and leaders with comprehensive details about everything that played a part for them in achieving success.
Founded in year 2009, Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance is a joint venture between two of India's leading banks, Bank of India, Union Bank of India and Daiichi Life Holdings, a leading life insurance company from Japan. SUD Life, as we like to call ourselves, has a strong distribution footprint with a network of around 15,000 bank branches and is catering to more than 90 lakh customers. We are committed to providing insurance products that cater to the various needs of people in our country. We pride ourselves on the values of passion, simplicity, integrity, humility, and also ownership. And we aspire to become a trustworthy partner to all our customers. When the COVID pandemic shook the world, protection became the need of the hour, and it was important for us to create a fast and transparent digital processes with strong customer focus, data analytics, and risk management capabilities. We rapidly digitized our operations on the customer onboarding side, and various initiatives were taken to actually support the employees for a seamless work experience from home. A COVID committee was also formed to ensure all safety protocols were in place and help could reach our people in time. Extensive training was conducted on virtual platforms, and through continuous engagements with the people, we ensured that the confidence and morale of the team was always high. We have implemented a comprehensive digitization footprint through contactless customer acquisition and new business processes by means of various internal assets like DigiQuick mobility solutions, and also by integrating with both our partner banks. Considering the increasing demand for the digitized processes, we are also revamping our customer lifecycle management, giving a rich experience and a great convenience to all our customers.
Thank you for watching today's episode of India's Brand and Leadership Conclave. We will be back with yet another episode of leading brands and leaders of the nation. Until then, take care and stay tuned.